How to replace watch battery. Here are step-by-step instructions for replacing a watch battery. Supplies needed: small Phillips screwdriver or watch repair tool case, replacement watch battery matching your watch's original, check markings inside watch casing, clean cloth or lens paper. Safety first, ensure hands are washed clean and work in a well-lit area free of metal shavings or debris. Instructions: 1. Turn the watch over and open the watch back case. On most watches, this requires removing 1 to 4 small screws around the edge. Remove slowly and keep track of screws. 2. Gently pry open the case back with a case knife or small flathead screwdriver by inserting into the notch or slot. Lift away the metal cover. 3. Locate and carefully pry out the existing battery. This will look like a small round silver disc, possibly attached to a metal clamp or padded terminal. 4. Inspect the inside for corrosion and dirt. Clean contacts gently with rubbing alcohol if needed. 5. Slide the new battery into position oriented correctly, +/ markers aligned. Reattach any terminal clamps tightly back over it. 6. Replace the case back and screw slowly in order from one screw to the opposite side. Do not over-tighten screws. 7. The watch may need to be reset based on model. Check user manual if so. Allow time to sync and match correct time. Be sure to dispose of lithium batteries properly and recycle or bring to a hazardous waste depot. Take care not to damage watch casing, circuitry or existing water resistance seals. Consider a jeweler for very expensive or complex watch batteries.